today we are making something I love so much. We are making a maple bacon French toast. Yeah, you're probably like, what? Maple bacon French toast? No, the bacon's not going to be on your side. The bacon's actually going to be in your egg mixture that you're going to be dipping in your French toast. To make our wonderful um, maple bacon French toast, I have a little bit of a upscale fancy bread, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And it is a croissant sliced bread by La Boulangerie, which means the bakery. And it says it's super bon, which means super good, and it does taste super good. Oh, when it cooks up, you taste that flakiness and that crispiness when you kind of when you kind of toast croissant. So good. Anyway, some eggs as our base mixture with some milk. I use heavy cream and evaporated milk, and we have some maple syrup, of course. So I'm not going to add any cane sugar because we're going to have our maple syrup going in. A little bit touch of pure vanilla. Everything tastes good with vanilla. And I have some cooked bacon that I crushed up really fine to go in, and all those nice little kind of holes in the croissant will be able to kind of hold this. So, and of course we have our butter to cook in our skillet. And I actually love to finish off my French toast in the oven because I don't like my French toast being sticky, wet, and soggy. So I started off to get color on the stovetop, and then I finish it off in the oven for just a few minutes. So I am going to crack my eggs first. Remember, when you crack it on the side of your bowl, make sure you stick your 2 thumbs in to hold back the shells. Okay. And gently dump it here. I'm just going to whisk my eggs. Okay, and now I'm going to put a half a cup of milk. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to put 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Another 1/4 cup of carnation milk. Okay. Vanilla extract, a capful. And then we are going to put maple syrup, and we're going to put, this is actually 2 tablespoons, so we're going to do this twice. So this becomes 4 tablespoons. We're actually going to do 5. Okay. So we have 5 tablespoons of the maple syrup. We're going to whisk it, and then we will throw in our bacon pieces. And then we'll start dipping our bread in there. I've already kind of melted our butter. Oh my gosh, I wish you could had smell-o-vision that you could smell the maple syrup. So good. So I gotta get my tray. Like I told you, I always put things in the oven afterwards. So here's the bacon in here. So we have the bacon pieces. So once it's done with my stovetop, I put it in the oven. Start dipping it to just fully absorb, and you see how it's catching the bacon. So that's a good thing. You want it to be able to capture that bacon on here. Okay. So let me turn on our heat. Let it start getting warm. Okay. Right there. Right there. Okay. And right there. See if I can kind of maybe I can't squeeze it. So I'm just going to give this room to be here in this way. So I'll just do the 3 right now. So we're just having this get some color. You can see the bacon right here on it. There's some more bacon pieces right there on it. And I'm going to put it on the sheet tray and just let it bake so all that like little egg moisture right here, the sogginess, can just be fully absorbed. Our croissant sliced bread has vitamins A and B5, our butter A, B12, D, E, and K2, our milk B2, B12, D, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, heavy cream A, D, and calcium, evaporated milk A, D, and calcium, eggs A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron, bacon B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium, and zinc, maple syrup B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc. And we'll have some raw powdered sugar that we'll finish it off with to decorate, which is vitamins A, C, D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Real facts. When school is out of session, children will miss out on 302,446,798 meals that they would have gotten at school. Every child deserves to eat. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Well, Chef and Fan, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I am a bacon lover. So guess what I have here? My French toast, my bacon French toast. I have the French toast inside the croissant sliced bread. It was in our egg mixture when we dipped it to make the French toast. And you see, it's like all coated in with, you know, all the goodness of making the French toast. Woo! And you know, I have my garnish of bacon all around it. So let's dig in. Let's find out how good my creation is here. We're using the, like I said, we use the croissant sliced bread. Oh, let's see. Now, I guess I might be somewhat biased because I love bacon, but let's see. Woo! Party in my mouth. Woo! Whoa. This is discotheque. This is not just a party, it's really gonna boogie. Oh, wow. You taste the rich maple. You taste that flaky croissant bread that it was soaked in, the egg mixture. And you taste the bacon all inside, all coated in. Oh my gosh. And here's the great thing. It's all you taste is that buttery croissant as well. You don't even taste like a whole bunch of sweetness from the maple syrup. Not at all. You taste a little bit of that saltiness from the bacon. Woo! Sweet and savory is here. You have that, it tastes almost like a butter pecan. I know that sounds weird, but the butterness from the croissant, and yes, the meat being the protein, but it almost tastes like a butter pecan. This is delicious. Oh my gosh. OMG. Wow. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you really want to make a special treat, I'd advise doing this for Christmas since Thanksgiving passed. If you're able to, locate this bread. This bread is everything. This bread takes your French toast to another level. Seriously, it's called the Croissant Toast by La Boulangerie. again, which means the bakery in French, it really does something. This would be something special you're doing for brunch for the family if they love bacon. You could try this with turkey bacon. I don't know if it's going to have the same effect, but with the real stuff, it is it. If you can, definitely. You can find that bread. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I will tell you because I just really, if you can get your hands on it, Whole Foods has it. I'm not sure Trader Joe has it, but Whole Foods has it. This bread is divine and it does everything for this particular dish. Oh my God. My crew's lucky they're gonna get some. Because as much as I love bacon, I don't really want to share, but it's a lot. I have to. So, here's my call to action. Ooh, this is so good. That butter flavor really comes out. I'm sorry I have to come back and talk about this. So really good. That buttery taste really comes through. Here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you, and it encourages us to keep going, to thinking about what else can we do, what can we offer you so you can add to your repertoire by reinventing the wheel or creating a new wheel. I always talk about this. Cooking is all about passion and love. And it comes through in your food. If you're really passionate about cooking and love cooking, that's really the key core ingredient. Technique comes after. You gotta have the passion for it. Okay, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Well, we welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They'll thank you. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. By eating virtually while I ate physically, but you too can eat this physically too. When you do, let me know if you added the bacon, if you did something else, if you were able to get the bread. Speak with me because we do answer the comments. And then also, in this season, I'm asking if it's possible for you to donate your cup of Starbucks coffee or your Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Hit the donate button on our YouTube page. It's safe through YouTube. Joseph Dreamhouse feeds families suffering from food insecurity. And that is your neighbor, possibly a family member, possibly a coworker. Remember, hunger has no age, it has no race, it has no face. It can be anyone. It could be something happened and now that paycheck has to go to do a car repair and now there's just not enough to eat. It could be something that's long-term. You're working 2 or 3 jobs and you still can't make ends meet. This is real. And with the cost of everything on the rise and inflation, you and I both know food is extremely expensive. Gas is expensive. Everything is just super high. So if it's possible for you to take what you usually buy, a refresher from Starbucks or a latte or a cappuccino, whatever it is, and donate that. And if you have more and you could do more, that's wonderful. It'll help us to reach more families and feed more families. Because believe you me, my phone, my emails, they all get blown up daily of families who are seeking my services. And I hate to tell people I can, but we're in a situation where we can't. We're overwhelmed. So if you're able to, we appreciate it. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. Love you guys. God bless you.